Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 30,210. It recently tested around 30,300 and currently trading 30,200. Usually market are in weak zone, but make sure you do not sell or buy without any proper stop loss. For proper stop loss, you need to see my stop resistance and support. So quickly, let's have a look at resistance and support. Then we will assess the trend of the market. Dow Jones resistance stands at 30,510. Currently Dow Jones is trading in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart. It is also trading in positive today, currently trading 13,061. It made high around 13,098 and today's low is 12,742. So it has almost rallied 300 points from its lowest point of the day. Still it is trading in weak zone. So let's have a look at resistance and support. Nasdaq resistance stands at 13,210. Nasdaq support stands at 12,980. Currently Nasdaq is also in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Now let's move on to S&P 500. This is S&P 500 chart. Currently it is trading 37.46. Today low is 36.65 and high is 37.59. It also rally almost 90 points from its lowest point of the day if we count the high of 37.59 today. Currently it is trading 37.47. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend of the market. S&P 500 resistance stands at 37.83. S&P 500 support stands at 37.18. Currently at S&P is also in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Now let's move on to Euro. This is Euro chart. Currently Euro is trading 12.2084. It made low around 2069 and currently trading 2084. Today's high is 2136. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Euro support stands at 2050. Euro resistance stands at 35. 1.320. Let's move on to commodities. First we will see silver, which is very interesting. After that we will see gold. This is silver chart. Currently it is trading 29.50, almost 10% up from Friday's closing. It recently made high of $30 and currently trading 29.42. Interestingly, majority of buying are from retail traders who are posting on Reddit and driving the prices high. They think they are squeezing the hedge funds. I don't know how much truth is in that, but let's have a look at resistance and support. Resistance stands at $30.20. Silver support stands at $28.50. Currently silver is in positive zone, but make sure you are not buying nor selling because markets are very volatile, especially in silver. Majority of buying is, I have already cleared that, it is from Reddit traders. So make sure you do not hold or buy or any sell in this market. Let's wait till it dies. Now let's move on to gold. We have already seen Euro chart. This is gold chart. This is gold chart, currently trading 1861. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Gold support stands at $1847. Gold resistance stands at $1875. Currently gold is also Gold is also not in positive, pardon me for that. Gold is in weak zone, unlike silver which is positive. So make sure you do not hold any buy position till gold break 1875. If gold break 1875 and manage to sustain above that level for at least 30 to 60 minutes, then yes, after that gold can test around 1890 and $1900. Till then gold is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. If you want to avail my buy sorry about that, if you want to avail my buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my WhatsApp number in description. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to press the like button. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.